Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing the Umberto Giannini leave-in conditioner, and this is the banana butter leave-in conditioner. Now, the reason why I'm doing this review is because I haven't seen that much online, and I've been using it in my hair for now maybe a few weeks now, so I just wanted to come on here and give my thoughts. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. Alright guys, thanks for clicking on this video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Queenteshna. I upload videos every Thursday on hair, fashion, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle content here and there. So if you like this little video, then please consider subscribing and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up as well. Alright, so let's just jump straight into this review. So if you've been following me for a while, then you know I'm a huge leave-in conditioner fan. Like, I normally use leave-in conditioners just for my wash and go, and that's pretty much it. So I have like an array of leave-in conditioners that I love. So I just wanted to come on and just, you know, see if this lives up to the expectations and let you guys know my thoughts. As I said, there's not much information on the internet about this particular product. Now, I actually got this in my treasure chest box, I think sometime last year, but honestly I didn't remember it was even there. It was just like one of those afterthoughts. I saw this when I was clearing out some stuff and I was like, okay, cool, what is this? Let me try using it. So I've been using this for a few weeks and it's been okay. It's been okay so far. So let me just go straight into the pros and cons. So when I'm looking for a leave-in conditioner, there are a few things that I look for. So I talk about the price. So this retails for around £9, I think, in Boots, and they do have offers. You know, you can get your 3 for 2 sort of deal here and there. So the price is okay. It's not bad, and the packaging is actually very nice. I like it. It's yellow, very bright color, and it is a cream leave-in conditioner. Now, cream butter. So it's very thick and creamy. So I always try to stay away from too much heavy product because I'm always worried that it's going to weigh my hair down because my hair is kind of fine. So, but I'm starting to realize now that not every product actually weighs your hair down. It just depends on how it's formulated and the ingredients as well. So this so far hasn't really weighed my hair down. So it's always been a plus, which I'm actually very surprised about. Let me open it up. So when you open it up, you can see the consistency. Like, it is creamy. Now it's worth mentioning as well that this is vegan friendly, I guess, like paraben free, cruelty free. It doesn't have a lot of like damaging ingredients in there. So on here it says silicone free, and I'm pretty sure that it doesn't have a lot of these things in there. Now let me talk about the ingredients, because the main ingredients are banana, shea butter, coconut oil, cacao butter, I think I'm pronouncing that wrong, and Brazil nut oil. And on the back, it does say claims. Let me see the claims. So, it's your new wonder product to repair, strengthen, and defrizz naturally curly and super curly hair without weighing it down. So, it's got some part of it right. It doesn't weigh my hair down, so that's always a plus. Now, when it comes to leave-in conditioners, I'm thinking, can it define my curls? Because I don't always like using styling products. And it doesn't really define my curls, but it does moisturize them. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. Now, the main thing about this product is the smell. It is heavily, heavily banana fragrance. So it's very, very much like ripe banana, very fruity, very sweet, and it is to the point where it may be overwhelming for some people. But I like it. I like the smell, but I'm telling you, it's really, really like, and I think this is probably cosmetic, ingredients added on to make it like this, but it's really scented. Like, I cannot describe it like, you can smell it through the screen. So that definitely may put some people off. Now, I know when it comes to leave-in conditioners, again, I'm always thinking, is it going to clash with some of my products? I'm gonna get any build up. Personally, on my texture, I have 3C to 4A sort of curls, and I haven't seen it clash or leave my hair dry or any white residue. I haven't experienced that, and you've seen in my video, my last video that I used, I'll insert the clip here, or you can check it out, that I used this product and I didn't get any of that feedback. So I actually think it's fine on my hair texture, so I don't know. But yeah, the question is though, would I actually go out and buy this? And I probably wouldn't go out and buy this, not because I think it's like an okay product. I think this is the smell. they should go back and revise the smell, because it's not for everybody. It's very much a Marmite sort of thing. And the reason why I wouldn't really buy this product is just because I feel like there's so many more like better high quality leave-in conditioners on the market. So I personally wouldn't go and actually buy it, just because it's just okay. So that's pretty much my thoughts on the products, but I will continue to use it until it's finished, because like I said, it's okay. That's pretty much it. It's not never here or there. It's okay. That's just my honest thoughts on this. So guys, if you use this leave-in conditioner before, let me know your thoughts, if you've heard of this brand, because honestly I've actually not heard of this brand before at all. So if you heard of this brand before, use their products, let me know in the comments as well. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll be back on Thursday with some more videos. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.